Everyone were inside, people were not going to outside. School, colleges, offices are shut down. As the result, people were watching YouTube and Netflix. Don't do that. Make an investment into your career, make an investment into your mind. How? Let's learn. From past few months, one of my friend want to learn web development. Recently I met him. I asked him, what is the status of your learning? He told me, he gave me an excuse that he was busy in his office life. But is it really true? Every year, thousands and lakh students were pass out from the degree, but from them, few are getting placed. Now the condition is about the recession time. Offices, school, colleges, all are closed down. Corporate organizations are not getting enough clients. Companies are firing fresher candidates. Every organization, every office is in loss due to this virus effect. For now, the expectation is that for next 6 months, for next 1 year, there will be no fresher vacancy. There will be no recruitment for the organization due to their loss in condition. The condition is so poor that some of the well-known job portals have been shut down. There will be no recruitment, or otherwise I can say fresher candidate will not get a single job due to this virus effect. To cater this situation, you need to be expert in one field. You need to get your expertise in one field. You need to increase your skill set in that particular field. You need to take advantage of the recession time. You need to invest this time into your mind. You will get plenty of time for that. So how can we utilize the precious time? How can we get the skill set? How can we get the job? So in this video, I will step by step guide you how to get a job. For that, how to prepare, how to make an resume. Let's start. So by learning random technology will not work. You need to do the market research. Which technology is in demand? Which technology is being required by the company? Which technology company are hiring? According to that technology, we need to prepare ourselves. We need to improve our skill set according to that technology. To make the thing easier in this condition, I have a video available, top 10 programming language that can make your career in the year 2020. You can go through that. You will list out all the points. You will list out all the programming language. From that programming language, you can do the market research, and according to your local area, according to your job location, you need to research about that, and you need to prepare which technology will be helpful. According to that technology, we will focus onto that technology only. Similarly, you need to avoid some of the outdated programming language. That also I have a dedicated videos. So that video will tell you about the 5 worst programming language you need to avoid. All the videos, all the playlists that I am talking in this video are linked in the description below. You can check out those. Now after doing the market research, we need to go to the step 2. What is the course? What is the programming language we want to learn? Choose that. After the choice is done, let me tell you about. I have separate series of videos available for web development, .NET, PHP, Salesforce, digital marketing, Pixeler and JavaScript. You can find the playlist by going to the playlist section of my YouTube channel. Otherwise, I will put all the links down in the description below. Before making the top 10 programming language video, I have done the market research and I have found all the demanding skill and all the demanding programming language. I have listed down on that video. You can do the market research. You can go through all the videos. You can do the practice. If you have any problem, you can do the comment. I will eagerly answer those. By this way, by sitting in home, you can get enough skill set. You can get eligible to work in a big corporate company. That corporate company will eagerly hire you with a good salary package. After learning the skill set, the next step is about to apply the job. How can we apply the job? Before applying the job, I have a video. That video is telling about how to make a great attractive resume online. You can check out that video also. In this way, you can create a great resume that will make you stand out from other fresher candidate. You need to be stand out. You need to be skillful enough. You need to be unique enough from the other candidate, so that a corporate company will directly pitch you, will directly hire you. So my suggestion is follow that video, follow that instruction, follow that tool and make a attractive resume for your career. After making a great resume, the next step is about to applying in corporate organization. So you need to apply in corporate organization. You need to go to different job portal. You need to apply. You need to create an account over there. And recently I have made a updated playlist about 2020 job update, where several or plenty of videos are there, and those videos are telling about about different big corporate companies are hiring fresher candidates only. The application links are given in those videos also. You can watch those videos, follow the instruction, you can apply those video by clicking the application link in the video description. Don't waste the precious time by doing random things. You need to be skillful enough, you need to be hireable enough, you need to be that capable enough. When HR will go through your profile, he will or she will instantly attract towards your profile and instantly call you for the interview. So first thing first, we need to be capable enough so that the HR will hire you, so that the HR will call for interview. Then after the interview process, we will showcase our skill. If you don't eligible for that interview, then let me tell you that you have wasted the precious time. So think about it. The purpose of making this video is to make aware of the recession time ahead. I have guided you to make a choice in your career. I have made you skillful enough by my playlist. I have given you idea how to create an awesome profile, how to create an resume. Then after I have given the idea how to apply for this job, what is the steps requiring to apply for the job and where to apply for this job. So I have guided from start to end how to get a job in the big corporate organization in the recession time of 2020. If you have any doubts, if you have any difficulties, you can ask me in the comment section below. Hope this video is guided you. So right now I am signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. If you liked this video, why don't you check out my other videos on my YouTube channel.